Video Blog Check, everybody. Azrael here, and we are here sa Huawei HQ in BGC. And they have an event na nilaunch nila yung Huawei MateBook D16 2024 and the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches and also the Huawei Watch and also the Huawei Free Clip. So ngayon, sinakapag naman tayo hands-on dun sa MatePad Pro. But for this time, I'll show to you a hands-on test using the Huawei MateBook D16 2024. Grabe, ang laki ng screen niya. Oh. Kita mo naman, there's a 16 inches display, large display PC ni Huawei. At ang price niya is very interesting, 38,000, 48,000 up to almost 48,000 din. No? Napakaganda ng price. This is an i5 Gen 13. At meron silang version na i9 na 13 generation din. So let's do a hands-on test at usap tayo about this awesome Huawei MateBook D16 2024 from Huawei Philippines. Alright, let's do the hands-on right now. And this is the Huawei MateBook D16 at ito yung mga SRP niya na na-announce kanina. The i5 8GB to 512GB is 38,999 at yung i5 na 16GB 512GB 41,999. For the i5 na merong 16GB at 1TB, that's 48,999. At yung sa i9 na may 16GB of RAM, 1TB of storage, 69,999, almost 70,000 pesos. So ito yung SRP niya na na-announce nila kanina. And all pre-orders are available this coming January 19 here in the Philippines. So, discuss ko sa inyo. No? So this is the Huawei MateBook D16 2024. Kanya specs daw is it has a world-class display PC with a 16 inches large display for the PC version nila. And this is a 16:10 ratio with a 90% screen to body ratio. Super laki ng screen niya kasi I have the D15 and this D16 is much more bigger than my laptop. At same weight daw ito with the 14 inches laptop. Actually lightweight siya on a metallic body. At if I'm going to carry it, parang feel ko, dala ko yung laptop ko, no? Yung D15. Kasi almost the same size, the same weight din siya. It's super lightweight. And if I fold it, mas super lightweight siya lalo. Pwede mo siya i-carry ng ganito. Ayan, may notes dito, di ko pwede pakita eh. Not for sale, ayan, not for sale. So, very ganda. Ganda sobra. At, what else? Yung natutunan natin. May fingerprint din siya. May fingerprint ko, I forgot. Di pala ako nakaregister dito. So, ito siya. Incredible lightweight metallic body design. At 31% more display area than other model. No? Kasi 16 inches, so super laki nung screen size niya on its body. At sabi nila dito, it's 11% more lighter versus other brand. At kanyang meron siyang 180 degrees na hinge. I can do this. To this laptop. Kita nyo naman, no? Sobrang ganda. At ano pa ba? Yun nga, they had the Intel i9 Gen 13 at saka kanyang dual shark fins which is located dito na very 22 decibel low noise at meron siyang 55% dissipation ng heat. At there's has a large keyboard with a numeric keypad dito. Very interesting dito, meron siyang mga shortcuts, no? Yung mga shortcuts so you can program it. This is the calculator, zoom. I think so. I think you can program it, no? So, kaso nga lang yung shortcut dito for the calculator, lalabas si calculator, for example. Ay, hindi nga pa ito touchscreen, no? For the search, ayan. Malabas yung search. Ayan, very interesting. AI search. So, automatic siya. This one is, ano kaya itong isang button na to? Ay, gumana. Camera on. So maglalabas yung camera ba? Ito is camera off pala. So kasi yung camera kasi niya dati sa mga Huawei MateBook yung camera na sa baba, no? Ito naman yung camera yan sa taas na. At you have a button here, you can click to turn on the camera. Naka-on na yung camera. Walang ilaw eh. Also, you can turn it off. Ayan, sa mga tao na imbes na maglagay ng sticker dito, you can disable it here, which is a good way of controlling how your camera works. So, naka-on to, ito naka-off naman, by pressing this button, natawag nila yung shortcut. So, meron tong Huawei Metaline antenna, mataas daw yung kanyang Wi-Fi range. At it says a 270-meter range, kalahati daw ng football field yung kanyang pagsagap ng Wi-Fi. That's ganun kalakas ng Huawei MateBook D16 when it comes to Wi-Fi connectivity. Wala na akong ibang specs na ma-share pa sa inyo kasi tuloy ng aking nakuha during its presentation. Check natin aking notes. Yes, that's it. Meron siyang super device at super hub feature, which is you can connect your Huawei phone or yung Huawei MatePad para mag-communicate sila. It has, 70 watts of 70 WH high capacity battery. At yun nga, it's very lightweight at yung 180 degrees hinge niya. It's very, very interesting, no? Super ganda, no? Yun nga, kanina inano namin, no? The screen is not just that hindi siya naka 4K, no? Parang naka lang siya. 190 by 1200 kanyang screen display resolution, no? Pero I guess pagka external monitor ka with may 4K, kaya-kaya niyang i-upscale yung whatever content that you are using, like for gaming or for movies, kaya-kaya niya yan. May Wi-Fi ba dito? Yes, there's Wi-Fi. Let's go here. And I can go to my blog, for example. Nag-on yung Super Hub eh. Meron lang, hindi lang ako sanay masyado, no? When it comes to the keyboard. Kasi yung style ko kasi maliit lang yung keyboard ko eh. But this one has may keypad. So yung position ng kamay ko medyo iba. So for all users na gumagamit ng malaking PC or laptop na meron numeric keypad, hindi kayo mahihirapan. Pero for me, ako medyo nahihirapan ako kasi hindi ako sanay eh. So it will take a long time para masanay ko pa yung kamay ko. So this is my old, lumang vlog pala itong nalagay ko dito eh. Oh. Let's go to my other vlog. Ito yung luma akong vlog eh. Azrael's Maryland.com. Buti na lang may wifi dito. Ito yung my blog. So, it's very nice, no? To navigate it. And also reading articles, for example. Just click. Ayan. Laki na ng text tsaka yung pictures din. Wow. Ang ganda. And let's go to, that's my blog, azraelsmaryland.com. Let's go to my YouTube channel. Ayan, ito yung YouTube channel niya. This is my YouTube. You have controls here. Pakita ko sa inyo yung camera, no? Pause ko muna to, no? Sige, mamaya na yung camera. So, this is my YouTube channel. Ito yung latest video ko for my travel. Hindi pa nagko-call yung HD niya, no? Ayan, naka 1080p na. Wow, ang linaw, grabe. For the audio, volume, medyo malakas na yung audio dito sa room. Alright. Galing, nagtatanaw ko sa aking YouTube channel. Masyadong maliwanag, labuan natin ng konti. There's this button. Ayan. Okay, let's move on to the camera. Para ba i-call yung camera dito? Just type camera, no? Camera. Ayan, camera app. And here we go. Here's the camera. Naka-off yung camera, so I need to turn it on. Ayan! So this is the camera module, camera style ni Huawei MateBook V16 2024. So I can take pictures. Ayan, I can take videos. Naka-record na ba? Ayan, naka-record na. Ayan. Medyo low resolution siya, no? Pero okay lang to. This is perfect for mga Zoom calls, for example, Facebook video call, video conferences, o kahit mag-vlog ka using this laptop. Pwede rin. Ayan. Check natin quality niya. Here's the quality. Naka-mirror naman siya yata. Ayun siya naka-mirror. Ay, okay, malinaw yung microphone niya. Naririnig ko. Ganda. I think yung microphone niya is may noise cancellation. Di narinig yung music sa room natin eh. Alright, so that's it for the Huawei MateBook D16. Tandaan nyo, no, yung price niya, no, nasa 38,000 up to 70,000. Kumbaga, 39,000 yung pinakang lowest niya, yung pinakang high-end niya sa 70,000, which is a very good laptop for me. Kasi I'm a Huawei D15 user at yung nakita tong D16, sobrang laki ng screen, napakaganda, parang nakakabudol na ibenta ko na yung aking laptop and get an i5 na merong 16GB at 1TB na storage for only 49,000 pesos. Napakaganda, grabe. Kasi yung luma ko, nasa 55,000 yun eh. 15 inches lang yun. What if ngayon 16 inches? Parang mas mura pa ito compared sa laptop na meron ako. Alright, so that's it. Let's do an outro at let's end this vlog. Alright, that's it guys. And we are here live sa Huawei HQ sa BGC. And this is the Huawei MateBook D16 2024. Alright, thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you, Huawei.